I switched over to Sony's DSLR at the time, the A900. And then very quickly, and at that same time, mirrorless was emerging. I really wanted a camera that I could take with me. And mirrorless came on the scene, and those next cameras were so small, and I realized very quickly I could adapt all these cool old lenses to them. I actually shot a music festival, Austin City Limits. Shot it with that little Next camera and some adapted lenses, and I was so pleased. Then the RX-1 came out, and then we got real excited because this was a full frame sensor, and it was small, and it had that great little 35 f2 lens. That was just like perfect for on the go, everyday observational photography. We knew the next step was going to be an interchangeable system, and then the A7 came out, and I was all in. I knew this was going to happen. This was the future. I jumped on that train, sold all of my other DSLR gear, and really just kind of converted to mirrorless.